is a very hot day. See this sugar right here? This is called Baker's Sugar Premium Pure Recipe. It's ultra fine, and this is the best sugar for if you like sugar in your coffee or making drinks or baking. And the reason I say that, to me, it's the best. Somebody else might say something else is the best. You know, if that's what you like, that's what you like. But this is what I like right here because it melts so good. This sugar melts really good. This is the original package for the sugar. And as you can see, it's 4 pounds. The new packaging, I guess they call themselves making it prettier or whatever. But this is 3.5 pounds, the new packaging. But I like the old packaging better, much better, because you can put the lid on better. This one, the lid just snaps down. I would never keep this sugar in here. So I'm gonna have to eventually take that out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut up these lemons, oranges, and I have a grapefruit. Then I have these 2 containers right here. It's a very, very hot day, and everybody needs to be hydrated if you're not doing nothing but what I'm doing, making you some citrus aid or lemonade. This is a 1/2 cup. That's what I'm putting in each container. I just want a 1/2 cup of this. And then I'm gonna use bottled water. And another good thing to do if you have time, but you gotta do it early on, is to boil you some water. Yes, boil you some water and put your sugar in the water, and once it dissolves, turn the fire off, or just turn the water on to get it hot, and the sugar's gonna dissolve. And then you just let it cool down, and once the sugar cools down, then you're ready for your to do your citrus aid, because you don't want to put the water in while it's hot. So that's a total of 4 cups, 4 bottles of water, 2 in each. I'm going to use this whisk. Just whisk it up a little bit. Come on, sugar. It's really better to put the sugar in last. Don't do what I did. Put your water in first, then add your sugar. Do not do what I just did. But it's done. Another thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put mint leaves. Mint leaves in your water. Mint makes everything, it seems like mint and cucumbers, they make everything taste better. Now, if you want to muddle your mints prior to, because some people like muddled mints, do that. Now, I'm going to tell you something. I don't know if you've ever had the drink called a Mojito. Now, if you've ever had a Mojito, what you do, you take this drink and you just add a little vodka to it until it comes to the taste that you want. A Mojito is nothing but pretty much what I'm doing. And I'm gonna leave a whole thing on here. I got these out my garden. If you got a garden, you better start using that stuff that's in there. And this just keeps everything nice and, I don't know, just good. This makes everything good. Let's do this. And if you have an electric juicer and you have a lot of juice to do, use that electric juicer. Don't be hurting yourself trying to do what I'm getting ready to do. But I don't mind doing it like this because I don't have really that many. And you want to make sure your lemons are nice and juicy. To extract that juice, you just roll them a little bit. Same thing with your oranges. Just roll it. My neighbors around here, the area I live in, they have really good oranges and lemons. Oh my goodness. Now I have lemon trees, but the lemons aren't ready. And the lemons normally aren't ready. Lemons and oranges. They normally aren't ready until around, you know, the winter time. That's when citrus is at its best, in the winter. So once I get through doing these, this citrus, I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, I'm just about done. I still have 2 more lemons to juice. And then, okay. Before I juice these 2, I'm gonna have to pour some of this liquid out. So I got some ice ready. You want this to be nice and cold. So make sure you have plenty of ice. Okay, I cut up just a little bit of orange. You put as much as you want, as little as you want. This is your drink. I'm just showing you how I make mine. It's always nice to have some slices of citrus in the drink. Okay, now let's pour. Okay, now the rest of this juice goes into number 2. This is number 1. We're going to put the rest of it in number 2. Now, when it comes to the sugar, you adjust the sugar how you like it. It may not be enough sugar in the drink for you, and that's okay because you're going to drink it how you like it. I just don't do a lot of sugar. I'm a type 2 diabetic. I don't do a lot of carbs, even though I bake a lot of bread and I bake a lot of sweets, but I bake that stuff for other people, but I don't do a lot of carbs. Carbs, I have them very minimal. Very minimal. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Okay, we're going to pour the rest of this juice in here. And this one will be a little bit, I'm going to say more tart. And I'm going to take this, my whisk. This is a dough whisk, but you use it for what you want to use it for. Okay, now it's nice and cool. So what we're going to do next is we're going to pour us a drink. Okay, let's see. Get this on here. I haven't used this in so long. It's like, what am I doing? Okay, there we go. There we go. Right there. Here's my drink. Let me give me just a little bit more ice. Here in California where I live, it's over 100 degrees today. Well over 100. Okay. First I'm gonna close this lid real tight. And then I'm going to take this and shake it up. Okay, yeah, that sugar is on the bottom. Always put your sugar in last, and it's best to put your sugar in some warm water so that it can dissolve. So don't do what I did at all. And you adjust your sugar to your liking. If it's too tart, put you some more sugar in there. If it's too sweet and you got some more lemons, add you some more lemons. Make sure you got your mints in there. And if you like your mints muddled, muddle your mints. But this is how I make my citrusade. And the reason I call it citrusade is because I'm using different types of citruses. We have lemon, orange, and I do have a grapefruit, but I don't think I need it. So this is the drink. Bon appetit, y'all. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Give me a share. But this is citrusade for those hot, hot days. And today is one of those days. Let me see what this tastes like. For me, it's a little on the tart side, but remember, make your sugar adjustments, but I would not put any more sugar up in here because it's sweet enough for me. So, I hope you like this video. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you, my chefs. All right. I'm back just for a sec. I want to show you guys something. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this product right here. This is called honey, citron, and ginger tea. So this is like a citrusade. You put it in hot water, you dissolve it. If you want to drink it cold, you wait till it cools down and then you add your little ice to it, or you drink it hot. I've only ever had it hot and it was excellent. Now, if you have this product, I would say, and you wanted to sweeten your drink some more, I would say use this. Use this in here because it doesn't have, let me see how much sugar is in here. Ingredients, ginger. It's got some kind of sweetener in here because it's sweet. I'm trying to see what the sweetener is. It says 7 grams of sugar, includes 4 grams of added sugar. Okay. So 2 to 3 teaspoons per serving. Okay, so this is something that I would add to my drink. It says 2 to 3 teaspoons. Now you know 3 teaspoons is equals a tablespoon. No, that's enough. I don't need to put nothing else in here. So I'm just gonna let that do what it does. I was thinking about putting it in here, but I'm not. I'm not gonna put anything in here. I'm just gonna leave this just as is. Because somebody may come over and they may not like it like that, but my house, my kitchen, my rules. But anyway, this is the citrusade. And this is the honey, what is this? Honey, citron, and ginger tea. I love ginger. But this is good. This is good with fresh homemade bread. This is good with muffins. This is good with just anything. It's just good. You know, you want that good, good. So get you some of that good, good. And here we got it. Okay, now I'm gone for real. Okay, see you guys on the next video.